Why did you choose accounting as a profession?
I believe that accountants make a significant contribution to any organization and improve its fiscal condition. This job will provide me with the highest job satisfaction, because it will give me a sense of purpose since I have been interested in working with numbers for a long time. This career will enable me to utilize my numerical skills to their full potential.
Which accounting software are you familiar with? Which one is best according to you?
I have worked with many software programs in my previous jobs. The software I used most was Microsoft Excel, Tally, ERP9, FreshBooks and Zoho Books. I do not consider any of them to be the best, but I am also planning to learn QuickBooks. Its user interface is simple and allows me to focus on accounting tasks instead of switching between menus and fields.
What is GST?
GST stands for Goods and Services Tax, effective from July 1, 2017. It is a destination-based form of indirect taxation, which replaced many different indirect taxes, VAT, excise duties and octroi on value addition.
Why do you want to join this company?
I applied for this position only after researching your organization. The work ethic in your company is a perfect fit for my way of working. I also found that the vision of the company to diversify its business activities aligns with my goal of handling different types of accounting responsibilities. As an accountant, I would be able to contribute more and broaden my horizons.
What is double entry?
Double entry is a system of bookkeeping where every credit entry in an account requires a corresponding and opposite debit entry in a different account. So, the sum total of all credits is equal to the sum total of all the debits.
How do you prepare a balance sheet?
At the end of a financial year, the company journal is closed with entries up to that particular date. These journal entries are posted in the corresponding ledger accounts, and accounts are tallied to prepare the final balance sheet of assets and liabilities.
What is a bank reconciliation statement and what are the factors affecting it?
A bank reconciliation statement is a summary of matching entries in bank statements of a company with its balances in the cash book. The factors affecting it are: interest received from the bank but not entered in the company's cash book, checks issued but not presented in the bank, dishonored checks.
What is the difference between depreciation and amortization?
Depreciation is the loss of value of tangible assets, like furniture and fixtures, machinery, buildings, computers and electronic material. Amortization is writing off intangible assets, such as patents, loans and goodwill.
What are GAAP standards and what are the other accounting standards accepted in India and abroad?
GAAP stands for Generally Accepted Accounting Principles set by the Financial Accounting Standards Board. Companies in the United States must follow these standards. In India, companies must follow the Indian accounting standards set by the Accounting Standards Board.
Which factors affect the cash flow of the company?
Cash flow depends on the type of corporation. Trading companies generate income from trading activities. Manufacturing outlets generate revenues through sales of products. Government undertakings receive different grants from the government, which form their main source of income. The common factors affecting any cash flow are day-to-day operations, investments, financing operations and inventory.
What is contingent liability? What is bad debt?
Contingent liability is an outcome of an event that may or may not happen. It is not an actual liability, so it is not included in the balance sheet. Instead, it is reported as a footnote. Bad debt is the amount considered as not receivable at all in the future, and is written off with permissions at a suitable date.
What is cost accounting?
Cost accounting is a way of determining the final price of products or services by considering the expenses incurred in their production.